In this tutorial, I'll show you multiple methods to hide desktop icons in Windows 10 and 11 without deleting them. On your desktop, right-click anywhere on the screen. From menu, hover over View option. You'll see a list of options. Look for Show Desktop Icons. It will be checked by default. Uncheck this option and all icons will disappear from your desktop. Now to accessing hidden icons, open File Explorer, navigate to the desktop folder where all your icons are still stored. To show the icons again, right-click on the desktop, hover over View and recheck Show Desktop Icons. Method 2. Hide specific icons. Right-click on the icon you want to hide. Select Properties from the drop-down menu. In the General tab, look for the Attributes section. Check the box for Hidden. Click Apply, then OK. The icon will now be hidden from your desktop. Access Hidden Icon. Open File Explorer and navigate to the desktop folder. In the Header menu, click on the View tab. Check the boxes for hidden items and the hidden icons will become visible. To unhide the icon permanently, right-click on the icon in the desktop folder, open Properties, uncheck the hidden box, click Apply, then OK. These simple methods allow you to declutter your desktop by hiding icons without permanently deleting them.